Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be talking about the latest Lucid news and the Lucid stock LCID. We have seen this stock fall quite a bit. It has had a huge downward pressure. We are going to be talking about why is this happening. We do know that Lucid's earnings reports will be coming out on May 5th, which is a Thursday, and we will start seeing its new production. Are they on track? Are they still having those big difficulties, as we heard from the last earnings report, that has actually crashed and brought down this stock quite a bit? I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it and get started, please give me that big thumbs up, the like button, subscribe button, notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos, and share this page with others so we can continue to grow the channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. I do have some awesome promotions down below using my links to Webull and Moomoo that can get you amazing free stocks. Take advantage of those. Now, without further ado, let's talk about Lucid Motors, ticker symbol LCID. Again, we have heard that the production issues, the production hell, is definitely there for Lucid Motors. They are having an extremely hard time. Just Business Insider has interviewed approximately 11 employees, both past and present, and they are giving very big information inside the Lucid productions, saying that it is going incredibly wrong. We also know that some of the desk people from the desk workers from California have been pulled to come into Arizona to actually work on assembling the Lucid vehicles. And we do know that people in the factories are pulling over 100 work week hours to get productions going. Now, this production hell has not been the first time that we have seen this. We have seen this back in the day when Tesla started its Model S. And we do now see it here. The only big difference is that right now Lucid is going through an incredible time when there is a huge supply chain issue. We are having that domino effect of supply chain issues that did start with the coronavirus, COVID-19, and it did start kind of trickling down. We are now starting to see that the CEO, Peter Rawlinson, did say that the supply chain issues is actually the big fit and finish that these vehicles cannot get out. He did mention in the last earnings report that carpet, glass, the fit and finish exterior parts were actually the main reason why the big rate limiting step for Lucid Motors. Will this be different? Will they have now more numbers? This is to be seen. Again, that big date is going to be on May 5th. They are partnering up with Say Technologies that investors and people that are interested in Lucid can post their questions after April 28th. I will put the link down below so you can ask your own questions to Lucid Motors, the CEO, Peter Rawlinson, in its earnings call date. However, this is an incredible bad news for this stock, and we can definitely see that this stock has gone down to the mid $18 mark right now. Now, this is not just this stock going down. We have seen all stocks going down, and this is a multifactorial point. This is not just Lucid Motors, but all the stock market is being going down because we have seen inflation at its 40-year high. The last time we've seen inflation being this high was in 1981 in December. But right now we are pushing above 8% inflation rate. We have seen the federal chair, Jerome Powell, just come out and say that the interest rates will be going up by 50 basis points, which is about 0.5%. So again, the stock market is reacting quite a bit negatively. Everything is being sold off, especially the technology market. The technology stocks are being hit quite hard, and you are seeing this with Lucid Motors. You're also seeing this with Rivian. You're seeing with technology companies, but new EV starting companies are also getting hammered with this. Now, does this give us a good buying opportunity? I do believe so if you look into the future for Lucid Motors. I do think that this company is still a very strong company because it does have that EV technology. It will still be around for quite a while, But again, this is just the beginning stages of this company, and they are having that really hard time, especially given this supply chain issue. But moving forward, its technology is there. They are currently in-house producing all their electric motors, their battery supplies, their charging systems, which are all the state of the art. You have seen past videos and past reportings that there are so many auto manufacturers using Lucid as a benchmark to make their vehicles. Even Tesla has been spotted testing the Lucid Air Dream vehicle on their track in Fremont, California. So definitely you are seeing that Lucid does have an edge and a leading potential to be a great vehicle and a great company into the future. But again, right now, supply chain issues are the biggest hurdle, and this will iron out with time. Now, we are not sure how long this will be, and it could be for quite a bit of months. So I do suspect that this stock could have a downward pressure, a lot of headwind on this stock, but it does give us a nice buying opportunity to dollar cost average into this company into the future if you are holding this stock into the future. Remember that investing does take patience, does take time. We are not going to make a quick flip with this company to make a lot of money in the short term. This will be years upon investing, dollar cost averaging, and believing in this company. The reasons why I am invested and I continue to dollar cost average into this company is because that technology and its futures are there. If you go back into the year 2012 and you could invest in Tesla during that period of time, if you can invest in under $30, would you have done that? This is a very similar situation for Lucid Motors, and this is what's going to make Lucionaires in the future, which will be millionaires based on the Lucid stock. Now, I do suspect that there are going to be those hurdles, those headwinds, but right now, Lucid Motors is definitely going through that. But you have to remember that this company will succeed. They have a huge backing, a huge cash flow through Saudi Arabian Public Investment Fund. They are also backed by quite a bit of huge important institutions that are investing into this company, dollar cost averaging, and I do think that they will succeed. This is just a matter of timing. This is a really bad time for this company and for all EV stocks, EV companies, such as Lucid Motors, Rivian, just to name a few. But again, they will succeed into the future. I did just want to show you how its stock has been doing and how low it has been going. But the Lucid Motors stock, ticker symbol LCID, has been trading on Friday at $19.11. We actually went down below $19 for a very short period of time. In the past 5 days, we are still down on this stock 8.9%. Ever since we did have that business insider talk about the production hell, this stock has actually fallen. Not only this, also we have seen that this has been falling because the Fed just came out on Thursday and did talk about increasing the interest rate by 0.5% in the coming weeks ahead. Again, this has brought downward pressure on all the stocks. So just to show you how the stocks have been doing, the S&P 500 is down 2.77%. The Dow is down 2.8%, NASDAQ down 2.5%, Russell 2000 down 2.5%, even oil is down. So again, this is bringing down all the stocks, not just Lucid Motors. If you look in the past 1 month on Lucid Motors, this stock is still down quite a bit. It is down 27.2%. We have been trading as high as $27 on March 29th, but you can definitely see we are on a downward slope, downward pattern, down 30% since its high in March 29th of $27.36. If we go back in the past 6 months, we are down on this stock. We have tested in November a high of over $55 at one point in time. On November 19th was its best day. Since that point in time, we are down 65% on this stock. I definitely think that we could have some downward pressure, especially going into the earnings report. I don't think that the numbers will be any much better. We are starting to see from Bear's Workshop, there are starting to be vehicles outside Lucid Motors Arizona plant, the factory being produced. They are wrapped, they are being delivered. However, how many vehicles are not ready for fit and finish? Are the supply chain issues corrected? That will be the key determining fact. I do think that right now, especially with China's being locked down again due to the COVID variant, they are the supply hub for the world. And I definitely think that we are back at square one. I don't think that Lucid Motors deliveries and their production volume will be much higher. The big key thing is how many vehicles are they going to be able to produce for this year? I don't think it's going to be that many. Now, whenever you go back and look at the Tesla Model S, the very first year that it did come out, it only made about 1,000 pieces, so 1,000 vehicles. The next year they did start their productions. I think this is going to be very similar to Lucid Motors. This will be a huge setback, and I do think that Lucid Motors will learn from this and will start getting that production going once they have all the supplies. We have now also seen that Lucid Motors is starting to hire for the second and third shift workers. So that is good news coming out from Lucid, that they are starting to hire more individuals to produce and put their vehicles together. But again, this will take time. This will take patience. Another good thing about Lucid Motors and its future is that they do have approval from Saudi Arabia to start its production plant there, the production facility in Saudi Arabia that has a potential, once up and running, can produce up to 150,000 vehicles per year. So again, this is just a trying times for all electric vehicle companies. Again, this will be an incredible company into the future. You just have to believe, and if you do believe, you will become a Lucidaire into the future. You will be a millionaire with Lucid shares, but this will take some time. But again, this company has great management, great CEO, great minds behind this company. They are all well balanced. Also, we do have a lot of experience in the manufacturing processes, and they have that huge backing. They have a huge amount of money flow behind this company, and I definitely think it will succeed into the future. It just requires that patience. But let me know down below what you think, and thank you again for watching this video. If you did get to the end, thank you again for watching, for supporting the channel. Give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. Share this page with your family, friends, coworkers, that next door neighbor, so we can continue to grow this channel. Also, I do have those great promotions down below. If you open a brand new account using the links down below, put in at least $100 or more, will grant you some excellent free stocks valued up to $17,500 with Moomoo and up to $15,000 with Webull. Incredible opportunities to get stocks like Amazon, Apple, Netflix, Google, Tesla, Lucid Motors, and more. Take advantage of these huge opportunities. But again, thanks for watching, for all your support, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.